Welcome back to Tom's Geerage. Kind of a brisk, cool day today. I got the old boggin on sweater. Cold. Brr, brr. Windy. Ooh, it's windy today. Let's see what I have hither. My last little batch of air filters I said I needed, the 698, 369. These little foam air filters. I didn't realize I had but one. I got 20 of these, a box of 20. Let's see, $15.74 divided by 20 air flitters, about 79 cents. I'll sell them for probably $6, $7 maybe. I'll have to look and see what they are on the shelf at the big box store. But I'll cut them a little bit, make some good geeters off that. Those ought to last me a pretty good little while because I don't use a whole heck of a lot of these. So we'll just put these on the shelf next to that one right there. If I can reach it. That's the only bad thing about putting everything on that top shelf. I'm not the tallest person in the world, but that's a good place for all the air flitters. Let me close this out right here before my battery goes dead. All right. You know, we're going to take a little field trip around the yard. There's something I need to look at. You know, I had a lot of work done to the plumbing lately. And to me, the water pressure just seems to be a little lower than it used to be, which is because he replaced all that with a new regulator and all that stuff and water heater. Yeah, let's say he replaced the water heater. Well, let's take a little gander around here because it's been a few weeks. I like looking under the house every now and then, make sure everything is still up to snuff. Yeah, let's take a gander here. Let's take a walk. Let's take a walk. Taking a walk. Here's all them hedges I'm having cut down. I'm gonna cut these halfway down like I've been talking about. Let's see, let's go around here and just check things. I like keeping check on things. Because when I was mulching leaves a few weeks ago, well, yeah, a few weeks ago, it was muddy right here, real wet, so the main line used to be galvanized pipe. It went from the meter right there, it went straight through there, and I'll take you and show you. There's another pear tree we're taking down as soon as the leaves quit falling. So this fella come around here and he dug all this up by hand, and he installed PEX, P-E-X, blue PEX, and it goes right through there, through the wall into the cellar. But you can see how many, you can see all the hedges, just hundreds of feet of hedges. I'll take you down here and show you just how many hedges I do have. Let's see, let's squeeze through. You used to be able to walk through here, man. Now you got to turn sideways. These bushes are getting so darn big. So here's the other pear trees we're taking down. Got 5 of them back here. And I'm cutting these down. See, right here, you can see how big these hedges are, man. And I'm going to take them down to about just about belly button height, so I can take my hedge trimmers and just rear. But it keeps going and keeps going and keeps going all the way down here. But yeah, you can see as soon as these pear trees in the backyard, they lose all their leaves. They're not as intimidating without the leaves on there. But you know, that's one thing I like about pear trees. All the sticks, when the limbs, they just grow up like this, not like a oak tree or a pecan or something where the limbs grow out and grow this way, that way, that way, that way. You know what I mean? Yeah, We're taking all 5 of these down back here. There's the shop way over there. There's the shop way over there. Let's make our way out of here. What's be a good place to hide? Hide from the police. All right, let's make our way out of here. Oh, fat man squeeze. Let's see, what I want to do is check on things under here. Check on things under here. I built this door too about 15, 20 years ago. It's a good hefty door made out of 2x4s. Let me check on things under here. Yeah, the first thing I had to do was I had a leak where all the drain comes down and connects to the whole cast iron pipe and goes out right there. Uh-oh. Looks like that's been leaking again. Yeah. But he redid all that where everything in the house comes together and meets right there. And he got a new water heater. I'm not used to this new water heater because they don't have it turned up as high as I had the old one. I had the old one when I replaced the heating elements, man. I cranked it up to 170. And then he added a whole house filtration system right there. Whole house filtration. And this is where the new PEX supply line comes in, the main line. He put a cutoff right there for me. Plumbed it in. Yeah, it looks like, oh. But then I just paid him $1,300 to do that. Let me go make a phone call, get him back over here. Yeah, let me get out from under here, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. I paid him about $4,500 to replace that water heater, all the main water line going up through there, and that filtration system. Ew. And now that thing's leaking worse than it was before. All right, all right. Tell you what, that's pretty good company. Every time I've called them, man, they come out the same day here in just an hour or so. So now I gotta go call them back. You know, I may just walk over there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna walk over there. The main offices. You know, like I said, they just moved in right there and they just built that building. So let me take a walk over there. Set the camera back down. Whew. Well, boys and girls, thank you for watching this nonsense video. Kind of caught up in the shop. I got a couple of customers supposed to be bringing me some stuff, and one's supposed to be picking up today. So we'll see how that goes. I'm just kind of enjoying being caught up. I had a lot going on lately last few days and kind of stressed out a little bit. So it's kind of nice to be back home. Just got back this morning from taking mother to her doctor's appointment. So busy, busy. Breaking news. Well, the plumber just left. Where all those drain lines connect to the cast iron, that old cast iron is evidently split at the bottom where all the water sits over the years. God, it was old when I bought the house 25 years ago. So he's got to dig all that up and replace all that going out to the septic tank. There goes another $3,000. Man alive. Hey, you know, I'd look at it as an investment towards the future. Been here 25 years, this house is paid for. And I know I ain't got to deal with it for a long time to come. So I shouldn't have any more problems out of that thing. Investment in the future. So, yeah. Yep. So, get that taken care of tomorrow. Won't have to worry about that no more. Ooh-wee. And I got to remind you guys to remember DLT Lawn Care LLC channel. We're going to do another live stream, hopefully Friday night around 8 o'clock. Have some good, clean fun. Yep. Good, clean fun. Got to get my mind off things. And Let's see, what else can I talk about? Well, that's probably good enough for now. I do appreciate y'all watching the videos, boys and girls. A little update at Tom Doby Mower Repair. I'm ready to hit the ground running for next spring. Hopefully we have another early spring, man. Like I said, last year was mid-February when my season started, and it started with a hoot. Man, I got busy. Yep. Well, all right, boys and girls, I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Y'all stay tuned. Check out DLT Friday night. We're going to do a live stream. We have a good time, and love y'all, and thanks for watching the video, man. I'll see y'all probably tomorrow and Friday. See y'all.